Hello everyone, this printer is EPSON ECoTank ET2950 series. This printer is currently connected via Wi-Fi direct. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this with a USB cable connection and print document from mobile phone. First of all, we're going to disable the Wi-Fi direct. So we're going to disable the network connection. So scroll to the side and go to the printer settings. Select OK to the settings. Scroll down all the way to restore default settings. Select OK. It will show you network settings. Select OK. Then it will show you restore network default setting. Then you select OK. Default restored. Then you select OK. So the printer is no longer connected to Wi-Fi direct. And if you look on the printer, it will show you a warning sign that the printer is not connected. What you want to do is you want to connect it via a USB cable connection. So go to the settings. Select on the settings. Select printer setup. Select OK to printer setup. Scroll down and select PC connection via USB cable. Select OK. Select enable. Use up or down to select enable. So enabled. Then the next thing to do is you need to take USB cable, and this is USB cable type C. So go to the back of the printer. So take this part of the cable, connect it to USB port, and it's in. You need to take this end of the cable, connect it to your phone. It will show you choose app to use. Then select NokoPrint. Select just once. It will show you processing. The printer is found EPSON ET2950 series. Select on it. Select use generic setup. It will show you processing. Printer setup. Printer has been installed successfully. Then select OK. This is the app and the printer. To print document to confirm that the printer is working, then select documents. Select on the document. It's processing. So this is 2-page document. Before you print the document out, go to the settings. Then select number of copies and also the pages, double-sided, print on both sides. Selected long edge, then select OK. Go to the setting again, then select number of copies, select print all, and also the paper, plain paper. We want to print it in color. If there's any particular settings you want to change, you need to select on it. Then select the paper as A4 plain paper, paper tray auto. You can select on the paper tray and select uppercase or rear paper feed. Select OK. Rear paper feed is selected, then select print. Will show you printing. So the document is printing. We connected this via a USB cable to the printer. So it's going back inside to print the second page. Print job has been sent to the printer. Then select OK. This is the document we printed out, 2-sided, with this printer and also using a USB cable connection. Thank you very much indeed.